Nation states and globalization. Nation states and globalization. Okay, so let's define the state. Everybody read.
The people of the line define territory, possessing both internal and external sovereignty. It is a political unit in charge of the conduct of its own affairs.
Okay, so when you say the state is a people organized for law within a defined territory. So a state is a group of people which is organized for law within a defined territory. So possessing both internal and external sovereignty. So when we say sovereignty, independence. Ha? Muna siya ang other term for sovereignty, independence. Then it is a political unit in charge of the conduct of its own affairs. So when we say own affairs, so ang state siya ang magbuot sa iyahang mga plano or desisyon sa isa ka state, so sa isa ka nasod. So if you are going to look at the definition, it is an organization also. So when we say state, it is an organization. So the four essential features of a state is first, people or population, territory, sovereignty, and government. So without any of them or one of them, the state cannot exist. So dili pwede nga ang state walay government, dili pwede nga walay sovereignty, dili pwede nga wala siya territory, and most likely di siya pwede may tabo nga state kung walay mga tao or population. So again, what are the four essential features of a state?
People or population, territory, sovereignty, government.
Okay. So, people or population. So the first essential feature of state is the organization of human beings living together as a community. So, meaning to say, ang part sa state is mga tao living together as a community. So that's what we call first essential feature of the state, which is people or population. The second feature is territory. So it refers to the land, sea, and airspace the state exercises jurisdiction on. So when we say jurisdiction, it also means authority. Jurisdiction or authority. So kita, as for example, the Philippines has its own jurisdiction or authority over its land, sea, and airspace. So most likely basta gani kung asa taman imong area pataas, padulong pa, himpapawid. Inana na siya ang area basis. So muna nga there is no other countries allowed to have their kanang mga air shuttle or mga airplane nila or fighting jets nga magtutuyo kung nana sa uban territory or nasod. So, di na siya pwede unless kung permitted or naay authority, gi-authorize. So the third is sovereignty. Refers to both jurisdiction, the ability of a state to exercise its authority over its territory and people, and independence, the freedom from external control. So, sovereignty means jurisdiction or independence. What does it mean gani when we say sovereignty? Jurisdiction or independence. When you say jurisdiction, what do you mean by jurisdiction based on the slide?
Jurisdiction.
The ability of a state to, everybody read. Okay, if you are going to read something class and then it goes like this. Parehani. Jurisdiction eh, naka-open and close parenthesis siya. So, it means nga ang gipasabot ani nga word kaning nasa sulod sa open and close parenthesis. So, what do you mean by independence? Okay, the freedom from external control. That is why katong the capture of former President Duterte raised questions sa of all the Filipino people. Tungod kay ang ICC has no jurisdiction daw kuno sa ato ang nasod. So, wag kanang nganong dito man siya kasuhan nga wala may jurisdiction ang ICC sa ato. So kamo plus para sa inyo is it kanang justifiable or is it acceptable nga ang isa ka Pilipino dalon sa laing nasod dito siya kasuhan?
Dili, sir. Problema sa
Diba? Diba? So, mga ginana po. Okay? So, that's one example. Okay, the fourth essential feature of the state is the government. So, everybody read.
Maintains social order, provides public services, and enforces decisions that are
Binding.
binding on all people living within the state. Aristotle classified government into legitimate or positive forms: monarchy, aristocracy, equality, and negative forms are corrupt,
Tyranny.
tyranny, oligarchy,
Oligarchy. Democracy. Okay. So, the government is the one or the institution that maintains social order. So, meaning to say, kung walay government, gubot yun siya. Magkagubot yun. Then also the government provides public services. Just like this one, kaning education karon dili sa ato senior high school. This is a public services. Okay, di ba? Of course, you are not you are not the one paying us. It's the government. And enforces decisions that are binding on all people. So there are a lot of decisions that are binding on all people. Like for example, the establishment of what do you call our constitution again?
ICC.
Constitution. Agoy, ako na nang gi
the Philippine Constitution of the
19 dili 75 dili 1987 Constitution. Ako naman nag-i-explain good. Muna ang atong gi-adapt karon nga constitution. So, Aristotle classified governments into legitimate or positive forms. Monarchy. So, when you say monarchy, the leadership relies on a single person or family. Or aristocracy or polity. Ang negative forms dayon or corrupt is tyranny or tyranny, oligarchy, and democracy. So, tinuod gid po siguro class no nga ang demokrasy kay corrupt no kay look at us sa tuang nasod, di ba? Hangtod karon sige ra ingon natong mga politicians nga labanan ang kahirapan. Pero until now kahirapan lang gyapon, di ba? Mo na gyapon kuana gyapon. Nya mo lagi demokrasy. Dagan kay magbuot. Okay, the term nation. So, I already defined the meaning of the state. Now, let's proceed to the nation. Comes from the Latin word nazi or born. So, it also refers to the original birthplace of the person. Original birthplace. So, it describes an ethnic, linguistic, or cultural community or race. So, nation describes an ethnic. When we say ethnic, it talks about the practices, no? or group to which a person belongs. Or when we say linguistic, it includes the languages spoken by that person. Language, the way he talks. Diba kay, if you are going to observe, based on the different groups of people, there are many ways on how people talk, depending on his or her ethnic background. Kanang, for example, ang mga na Ilonggo diri, na Ilonggo. Kasi Ilonggo diri. Ilonggo, di ba? So, kabantay mo sa Ilonggo, may observation lang ha. Bisag suko na kay sila kay murag lambing kaya pong kay siya paminawon. Yo di puta ka no. Linti nga bata gid ang. Ang lambing ra kay siya paminawon ba? Oh, if we talk about Russian accent. Kung Russian accent mura ba og kanang inang inistoryahan kay bisag romantic pero romantic ang message pero ang pagka-istorya murag threatening kay ba? Threatening kayo. Anyway, so the nation is a community of people linked by ties of blood and relationships. So nation also includes the blood and relationships. Like us, kita Filipinos, we are tied by our own bloodline as Filipinos. Then we have the nation has common language and literature. So like sa Atua, we have a common language diri sa Cabanatuan. We speak Cebuano or Bisaya. Ba? And literature or mga gitawag na to og written and oral traditions. Written and oral traditions. Ba? Have you heard kanang mga stories like mga alamat?
Yes, sir.
Anong
Alamat ng
alamat ng
Matching at Pagong.
Matching at Pagong. What else?
Alamat ng Bagunawa.
Ano ba ang Bakunawa?
Dragon karing story of the dragon na
The seven
kaning sa unang panahon dito sa Pilipinas daw na yung 7 moon. So sa 7 moon ay bata nga bata pa sa bata siya das.
Tigulang na yung bata.
Bata pa siya das. Nandiyan siguro tayo yung villages bitaw nga parating na Bagunawa tas dagay siya tas wala tas pila ka days ang mga poses nakaon na. So ang nabila na nila mo is na sa mga villages kay nag-fight na mga villages, nag-away sila. Nilayuan ang dragon para daw malipit ang lima gawang sa kanila ng nabunan kay walang say light sa photo, ipatay nila ang dragon.
Wow! Thank you for that. Yan na. And also we have Biag ni Lamang. So mga kwan. Epic. Okay. Then the nation has common tradition and history. Just like example, in the Philippines, one of the traditions if you are going to get married is that there is what we call gala-gala. Kanang magsayaw ang couple tapos pilitan og kanang kwarta. That's gala-gala. So, you will never find anything like that except in the Philippines. Kanang magsayaw ang couple. Kanang newlywed o gala-gala. So, kamo kung maminyo mo kanang ay magsugot nga diretso ra mo ipunan. Pakasal gid mo kay para makatry po ka na magsayaw-sayaw ka nga imong isayal. Gasumpay-sumpay nga linibok. Kay ipang kuan man na siya, ipang pilit. Okay? So the nation also is a large group of individuals who believe that they belong together because they share common identity as a people. So another important concept of nation is common identity. So we have a common identity. Kita as Filipinos, what's common among Filipinos?
Happy,
Identity.
sir. Happy sa mga foreigner.
Happy, yes. Singers. Dili ka seryoso.
Always late.
Always late.
Filipino time, sir.
Dayon, the nation is a homogeneous community. Meaning, nalang siya nagit siya one characteristics. Or one characteristic rather. One characteristic lang. How are you going to describe Filipino people physically, class? Isa sa
Sir.
Short.
Piltong, sir. Wala may 6
One.
Pilipinas, sir.
Ito.
Dili
Sir,
daw, sir.
kanay lahi. Sir, 6-footer na lahi.
Kasagaran 6-footer na ilahi nga
Well, may other nations.
Ang kasagaran
nga 6-footer. na ilahi nga 6-footer. Okay? So, gagmay, mugbo.
One, sir, kanin. May live ito dyan na. Dili ko para sa for
How
example.
about the skin tone?
Brown. Morena.
Brown.
Morena. Moreno.
Okay, another term that you have to remember is the nation state. Diba? So the nation state, it refers to a state inhabited by people who identify themselves as a nation on account of common culture, history, language, ethnicity, or other factors. So meaning to say, when you say a nation state, inhabited by the people. No? So when you say inhabited, gipuy-an sa mga tao. Inhabited. Ngayon, they have a common culture. So when we say culture, what are the components of culture gani? When we say culture, components of culture? Beliefs,
Tradition.
traditions,
Questions.
religions or beliefs,
Con.
ideas. Part sa ideas, sa mentality, apil na.
History, sir. Mortality.
So history, language, ethnicity, or other
Naramay na.
factors. So remember ha, when you say state or nation state is state inhabited by people with common culture, history, language, ethnicity, or other factors. Okay, so the nation state has cultural cohesion. So when you say cohesion, meaning united or unity. So na sila cultural unity. Like for example, diri sa tuwa sa Bukidnon, one of the cultural cohesion or one of the manifestation of cultural cohesion in Bukidnon is the Kaamulan Festival, which is celebrated every year. And political unity also. Pero diri sa tuwa, di mo gid na siya makita ang political unity, no? What are the events nga nakita ninyo nga walay political unity sa tuwang nasod?
One
Have you heard news
Yes, sir. Sa bawat sa Senate dito.
sa Senate? Noon sa Senate?
One,
Baga.
sir, is si Bongbong Marcos. Nadyo sa Canada. Gikuha nito sa mga Canadian nga adik siya. Nag-rally
Sa
sila.
Senate man ka?
Ay, Senate eh. Basta, kapokus gyapon sila sa flood control. Dili kita nila ginahungan. Pero dili gyapon ka sulpat.
So, example, sa una, di ba, tandem mo ta si Sara o si BBM. Pero karon na.
Karon na iba sila.
Kaingon ta nga, wala gid forever. Okay. So, globalization refers to everybody.
Refers to a complex process by which the world is becoming a highly interconnected world through economic, social, political, and cultural.
Okay. What do you mean by contracts?
Kontrata, sir.
Kasabutan or agreement, di ba? When we say contracts, agreement, nag-agree. Ano na ha? So, when we say globalization, it refers to the interconnectedness of the world. Nga, example, ang Philippines, connected na siya sa US, connected na siya sa other countries. No? How are they connecting? Through economic contracts. Di ba? The Philippines is exporting and importing goods and services. Social contracts. Di ba? Kung sa isa sa kuana na kanang evidence, kanang OFW. Those are social contracts. Contracts that talks about or that involves human beings. Nga sige, magpadala media workers, pero dapat inyong atimanon, dili ninyo abusaran. So those are social contracts. Political contracts. Pareha sa Philippines that is the member of the United Nations of ASEAN, and cultural contracts. So ano mga we call adaptations of different cultures. Pareha sa ito sample lang sa entertainment. We tend to adapt sa kanang mga global nga mga trends. Example kanang sa movies. Ana. So globalization is also the intensification of global interconnectedness. Meaning to say, countries becomes connected with other countries. Could you please spread out kamo diha being a grupo B? You find another place nga dili mo mag diha boys at the back and girls. It seems nga kuan magud siya. Okay? So, globalization also is a world full of movement and mixture. So, contracts and linkages and persistent cultural interaction and exchange. So, isa man po na siya sa makita nato class nga na globalization. It's because there is example, there is sa Philippines. A lot of women engage in marriage with other nationality. So kana siya globalization na siya. Cultural contracts. Kaya di ba lahi ba ato ang naandan diri lahi po dito sa ilaha. I knew one of my friend no naka-minyo siya o kanang British nurse to siya. So kaning mga British dili nga tanan sila kanang naday sila practices ba nga kanang pag na sila sa balay, di sila ganahan magsigig liyok-liyok kanang manilhig, magugas plato, maglunga kana, magluto, dili sila wala sila kaayo na ana ilaha kay palit-palit lang gid ba. So unlike sa ato Pilipino nga di ba, nasa balay na Hindo, magugas plato. So nagid sila conflict duha. So ingon siya nga bulagan daw to niyang tawhana kay tapulan daw kuno kaayo. So those are interconnection of cultures ba. So instant communications and ever expanding fast travel. So pareha po na niya to ang mga gadgets like cellphone. So globalization also involves flows of goods, capital, people, information, ideas, images, and risks across national borders. So dali na lang kaayo ang information makaabot sa laing lugar. Unlike before nga what happens here remains here, pero karon dili na. If you have a cell phone, if you can take videos, then there is a possibility that it will be seen by other people around the globe. Okay. Then integrating and connecting cultures and communities in new space-time combinations and making the world in reality and experience more interconnected. So because of technology po, isa po na siya sa naka-boost sa globalization around the world. Okay, please disregard na to. Okay, aspects of globalization. So the first aspect of globalization is economic globalization or the integration of all economies. So when we say economics or economy, it talks about distribution of goods and services. Mananan ninyo basta economics distribution, production, and consumption of products and services. So, example, kita, we distribute products to other countries. Pareha ning saging. Isa sa padala na to. Kabaluman mo, no nga na plantation saging diri? Kung sa kumpanya? Dole. Or, napay Sumipro, napay Inkabi. So, kanilang saging, gina-import na nila sa Japan, sa China, sa US, kana. Durian. Ga-import ang Philippines og durian sa Greece. So that's globalization na siya. Kita pod ga-import pod ta. So pareha tong there was a time nga nag-import ta og sugar So gi-question to kayo sa uban nga mga congressman, ano mag-import pa tag sugar kadaghan kay katubahan diri sa ato ah. Napuntoy time nga nag-import og asin. Gi-question gyapon kay ngano mag-import man tag asin nga ang tay dagat diri archipelago ta. Diba when you say archipelago, surrounded by bodies of water dayon, island ba archipelago. Second aspect is cultural globalization or the cultural interconnectedness. So I already gave an example that our practices may be shared, and also we can also adapt practices from other countries or other nations. Isa man nga example sa fashion, the way we dress up, ano siya? Diba we tend to adapt the global trends. Kung mga example lang kanang Korean bitaw. Mga Korean kung unsa ilahang fashion, trend sa ilang fashion, they tend to Filipinos tend to adapt. Sa hairstyle, Filipinos tend to adapt. Diba? Sa skincare, tanan. Okay, then the third aspect of globalization is political globalization. So, international organizations. So, give me an example of an international organization wherein the Philippines is a member.
NATO.
NATO? I don't think we are a member of NATO.
Magbala, sir.
Hindi siya. Dito na sa Europe.
Kaya to PhilHealth, sir.
Sir, nandito.
National Alliance of Treaties Organization. Pero dito naman na sa European countries naman na. Kaya kasagara members sa NATO, mga first class countries. And we are not a first class country. Dili ta first class kwanta.
Middle class na daw.
Lower class.
Middle class na daw, ano ang kanya?
Middle class?
Upper middle class na daw. Sa una kay lower middle class, pero upper na daw.
Siguro. Okay. Again, provide an example of one class. An international organization.
Health, sir.
Health. UH.
Sino nito?
Health?
Ito, Philippines Health. Ay, ito tong
World Health siguro.
World Health.
Sa pag yun? ASEAN. We are a member of ASEAN. Association of... Sa meaning sa ASEAN? Uy! Kamu ka balon sa meaning sa ASEAN? Association of Southeast Asian Nations. How about sa UN? United Nations. Okay? Do you have questions?